So everyone's asking, how's the new store going? We opened January 2nd of this year. Remember, we're right in Irving Park. We're a mile from downtown, a mile from Friendly Center. We are right near the intersection of Battleground Avenue and West Northwood Street. The address is 1707 Battleground. It's a big, beautiful sign. It's easy to find. It's on the inbound side to downtown. Things are going well. It's getting busier and busier. You might see some of the downtown staff there at the Irving Park store. We're connected. We know every minute what's going on there, and they know what's going on at the downtown store. So we're very well connected, so you'll get the same treatment, the same benefits. One of the great things I want you to know is some of the promotions we're running on financing right now. We've got 6 months no interest. We've got 18 months no interest. A variety of programs. It makes it easy. You can divide it up like you want. Simple to apply, like 1 second. That's about all it takes, and we get you the answer. So remember, we got full service. We're able to do that at both locations, whatever your needs are. Been a part of the community since 1978. The new store has been open since January 2nd, 2024. So come see us at either location. Look forward to seeing you.